Okay, good day. I am Michael Jolanda, and I have a partner for this video. His name is John Earl Ambuhot. For today's video, we will going to discuss the watertight integrity and the importance of keeping it within the ship. Okay, watertight integrity. Watertight integrity on a ship refers to the ability of its hull and internal compartment of irrelevant water from entering, essentially ensuring that the vessel remains afloat even if a section is damaged by maintaining sealed, watertight bulkheads and closing devices like doors and hatch across different compartments, which is crucial for the safety of the ship and crew in case of flooding or breaches. Without proper watertight integrity, a ship could rapidly flood and sink. Watertight integrity, isang barko ay tumutukoy sa abilidad sa lawas or katawan or panloob ng mga compartment para mapugngan ang pagsud sa tubig. Mahalaga din, importante pod siguro, importante sa barko nga mapanatili nga nakalutaw bisan na og naay guba or naay section nga naguba sa isa ka barko. Sa pamamagitan na pagstay or pagpapananatili na selyado, watertight bulkheads at pagsasara ng mga aparato tulad ng mga pinto, mga portahan, hatches at iba pang mga compartment sa ship or barko. Importante pod nga ligtas nga kaligtasan ng barko ug mga tripulante or mga crew. We have a key points about water integrity. We have number 1, function. Dividing the ship into a separate compartment using watertight bulkheads limits the spread of water in case of damage, allowing the ship to stay afloat even with a flooded compartment. Ang paghati sa barko sa magkakahiwalay mga compartment gamit ang watertight bulkheads ay naglimit sa pag-spread or pagkalat sa maong tubig. Kung mong galing og maguba or masira na nagpapahintulot sa barko na need gihapon nga ang barko mulutaw gihapon bisan pag naanay baha sa every compartment or bisan asa para sa ship. We have number 2, components. Watertight doors, hatches, and other closing devices on bulkheads must be properly maintained and sealed to prevent water issue and grease. Ang mga hindi tinatagusan ng tubig na mga pinto, mga hatch at iba pang mga pansara o mga aparato sa mga bulkhead need jud nga maayos o mapanatili at nga selyado para makalikay sa pagsud sa tubig sa mga compartments. Importance. Number 3, importance. Safety. Maintaining watertight integrity is paramount for preventing sinking in case of collision, grounding, and hull breaches. Safety o kaligtasan. Ang pagpapananatili na hindi wa pa masudli og tubig na integridad ay kanang kinaimportantehan para makalikay sa paglubog sa importante kayo para malikayan ang paglubog sa barko or naay magbangga or o mga paglapag sa mga pagbangga sa barko. Damage control simplifies the process of containing and managing floods as damage is localized. Number 4, regulatory compliance meets the International and Classifications Society standard for damage stability. We have challenges and consideration. Number 1, improper use of watertight doors. Leaving watertight doors open undermines compartmentation and increase flood risk. Number 2, we have a free surface effect. Partially filled compartment can reduce stability due to a shifting of water or free surface effect. Number 3, complexity and design. Balancing the operational accessibility with watertight integrity requires careful planning during the ship design. Measures to maintain effective compartmentation. Number 1, regulation, inspection, and maintenance. Ensure watertight bulkheads, doors, and hatches are in good condition. Number 2, training and drills. Train crew on the proper use of watertight doors and emergency procedures. 3, damage control equipment. Equip ships with pumps, collision mats, and other tools to manage flooding. 4, monitor the repair damages. Address the structural issues promptly to maintain watertight boundaries.
Recommended construction of waterline bulkheads as per SOLAS regulation. According to SOLAS regulations, waterline bulkhead should be constructed with a design that ensures they can withstand significant water pressure, typical by using thick vertical studded plating, and should be positioned based on the ship size and intended use, with the most critical being of collision bulkhead, which must be located between 5% and 8% of their ship's length of the forward perpendicular. All openings within the bulkhead should be fitted with waterline doors to closure that can be remotely operated and monitored for proper sailing. Construction waterline bulkheads as per SOLAS material and design. High quality steel plating with appropriate thickness based on the ship's size and anticipated loading condition. Vertical stiffeners to enhance structural integrity and resist water pressure. Consideration of the bulkhead's location and the potential forces it may encounter. Collision bulkheads need extra reinforcement. Effect of compartmentation of waterline integrity. Containment of flooding. Compartmentation limits water increase to a specific section of a ship, preventing the spread of others area. This containment allows the vessel to retain buoyancy and reduce the risk of sinking. 2. Enhance stability by restricting water to designated compartments. Compartmentation minimize weight shift that could reduce stability, prevents a significant rise in a center of gravity, and helps maintain in a departure metacentric high. 3. Improve damage tolerance. Ship with robust compartmentation can survive breaches to the hull as flooding is confined to a limited number of compartments. This particularly critical to collision, grounding, or battle damage in naval vessels. 4. Compliance with damage stability standards. Compartmentation ensures compliance with international regulation such as the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS, and Classification Society requirements. These regulations often define the ship survivability with one or more compartments flooded, one compartment or two compartment flooded standards. Compartmentation. Flyable length. The maximum length of a ship that can't be flooded with, causing it to sink or capsize. Compartmentation ensures that the floodable length does not exceed safety limits. Margin. Align 76 mm 3 inches below the top of the bulkhead deck. Compartmentation must ensure that water does not rise above this line in damaged condition. The percentage of compartments volume that can't be occupied by water. Low permeability compartments are more effective at limiting flooding than high permeability ones. The sequential flooding of adjacent compartments due to breaches or failure of waterline boundaries affect compression halts programs flooding by creating independent section.